G'day folks, what I'm doing today is making a swing away license plate holder for a friend's tandem trailer. A twin axle to those people who don't know. This trailer is legally required to be registered and must carry a registration plate, and because there isn't really much room on the back of the trailer to mount it, I have to make a bracket which will allow it to swing out of the way during loading of the trailer and then swing back into place so that it's visible from the rear of the trailer during transport. Basically so that the cops can ticket you whenever you pass a speed camera. Now what I've done here is, even though the spring's probably not necessary, I've made a little, both an inner tube and an outer tube which can rotate 360 degrees at the moment, but it'll only really rotate 45 degrees. So you'd have a normal running position with this holder welded on like so, and then when it comes time to load the trailer, this part here will be overhanging onto the bed, so when you try and load a car in, it's going to hit this side and try and break it off. So to avoid that, what I've done is made this little spring-loaded contraption so that you can lift the whole holder up, rotate it 45 degrees so it's like that, and then load your car on without knocking your license plate holder off. Then when you're ready to drive, you just rotate it, it'll lock back down, and the cops can see your license plate and send you a speeding ticket whenever you pass a camera. So I hope you get the gist of that. I'll show you a video when it's installed. Well, about done. All I've got to do is go back to the scrapyard and weld it down to the trailer. I'm just going to weld around this base plate. A bit stiff because I haven't set the grease nipples in place and greased it up, but it's working. I'm also making an ID plate for it. Ed Systems, copyright 2009. Well, my contact phone number or business phone number I'm going to put on that plate, but I won't openly disclose that on the internet. Of course, if anyone in Victoria or Australia needs anything fabricated, just let me know and we can work something out. Don't be afraid to send me drawings or ideas. Well, that is one finished license plate holder. Got the little data plate on it. All welded up, greased it up with motorcycle chain wax. I couldn't be bothered fitting grease nipples and making grease galleries or anything, so it's going to require every now and then maintenance, although it's fairly maintenance free because it's not a tight fit, it's not going to rust solid. But it will swing out of the way when needed, swing back into place when it's ready to run. These looms are like something out of the Matrix. Creepy, plasticky monsters. All these things remind me of is the Matrix movies. This is all McDonald Johnson surplus. Gotta try and find something to plug into the license plate holder. Nice little switches. air hoses for the onboard pneumatic, garbage truck grabber cylinders. There's amazing stuff in here. Well, I'm going to have to cut and shut the wiring on that license plate holder, but it should come out pretty good. I'll use the 3-pin like that one. Oh, thanks for watching, folks.